Hello, I'm Chris, and this is the 42 with Center Code. Today, we're talking about user acceptance testing. UAT goes by a few other names, and it's done differently across companies. While the time frame for testing is rarely argued, who the user is and what they consider acceptable can vary greatly. So, let's get into it. The user is anyone who can benefit from the solution of the product. It could be your customers, your employees, or your target market. Typically, acceptance is a balance between what is acceptable to the business and what is acceptable to the user. This can be difficult to measure, so Center Code recommends to our customers that products meet two criteria before being considered acceptable. The first is that there's no critical or major issues. The second, it meets or exceeds a subjective measurement like a satisfaction score or a star rating. Because running into those catastrophic issues on launch day can be really bad for your business. That's UAT in 42 seconds. If you like more, subscribe. I'll catch you later.